Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the new forensic, the National Forensic Pathology Autopsy Suite. This is a massive development that's taking place in downtown Kingston. Now, this will be basically a government run morgue where autopsies can be done, and it should be large enough to allow for an adequate amount to be done daily because there is a severe backlog in the system. So, unfortunately, Jamaica has a lot of incidents, and so we have a lot of investigations being done by the police. And so, the autopsies have to be done for some cases to move forward, those that are in the courts. And there are so many that the system has gotten backlogged. So the government decided to build the forensic suite on Orange Street in downtown Kingston. Now it was to be finished. Of course, deadlines in Jamaica are more of an estimate. I have never seen a project meet its deadline given. But what they do is just move the deadline. So the last deadline for this project, and it's just something that happens in Jamaica, private and government things. The last deadline was 2024. However, that has changed, and it's now June 2025 for the facility to be completed, and it's going to cost another $85 million. Now, that would put the total project at about $1 billion, the cost. But it's needed, and it is one of three major projects that the government has on the way for the police force. They're building a massive headquarters down in Westmoreland. They're building one in St. Catherine, and the third one is this forensic suite. Because once this facility is up and running, you should no longer have, it took them a couple of weeks, but once they have dealt with the backlog, we won't have this issue for an autopsy taking so long again. So this is very important. So I'm assuming for them to give the June deadline that their funds have been allocated. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The completion of Jamaica's long-promised National Forensic Pathology Autopsy Suite has once again been delayed, requiring an additional $85 million to be completed by June 2025. Initially projected to be finished by March 2023, the facility's timeline has been extended multiple times, and its budget has ballooned from an estimated $618 million to nearly $1 billion. The continued delays and cost overruns raise concerns about project management, financial accountability, and the impact on the country's justice system. The construction of this facility is a critical component of Jamaica's crime-fighting strategy. It falls under the Ministry of National Security's Internal Security and Regulation Program and is expected to enhance the forensic capabilities of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. By improving autopsy and forensic analysis services, the suite is intended to expedite criminal investigations, reduce case backlog, and ensure more efficient legal proceedings. Currently, the absence of a government-operated autopsy facility has resulted in the outsourcing of these services to private funeral homes, a practice that cost the government approximately $482 million between 2017 and 2021. Beyond the financial burden, outsourcing has also led to inefficiencies, delays in criminal cases, and concerns about the integrity of forensic evidence. The completion of this facility is therefore not just a financial matter but also one of justice, as timely forensic examinations play a crucial role in solving crimes and ensuring fair trials. The autopsy suite was first announced in 2021 with an initial timeline of completion set for March 2023. However, the project has since faced 3 extensions, with the new deadline of December 2024 and now June 2025. These repeated delays reflect broader issues within public infrastructure projects in Jamaica, where budget overruns and missed deadlines have become common. The latest government budget reveals that an additional 85 million is needed for the project's completion, with 35 million allocated for goods and services and 50 million for the purchase of fixed assets. While government officials maintain that the facility is nearing completion, the trend of continued extensions raised doubts about whether the June 2025 deadline will be met. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now this facility is so important to the country that it should be expedited. This should have been finished already. I'm not sure if it's a local contractor or a foreign contractor, but this project, well, I mean, look at the, okay, well, no. Well, June 2025 is just around the corner, so we will keep you guys updated. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.